Here I have TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just hold down power key plus volume down. I mean, not hold down these buttons, just press them slightly like this, and that's how you can take screenshot. So let me show you one more time. Slightly press power key plus volume down, and screenshot will be taken. So easy. You can find your screenshots by going to gallery, to the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.